Okay, folks, here we go. Example number 3. Whoa, what's going on here? You know what? And I mentioned this in the introduction. Guys, we've got to have everything on one side of the equation and 0 on the other to solve a quadratic. So that means I need to take the x and I need to move it to the other side. And you guys know whenever I move something to the other side, its sign changes. Okay, I need to take the -8 and do the same, and it becomes +8 equals 0. Okay, so that's all I need to do there. But I need to find out my a, b, and c. A is 1, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to 8. Okay? All right. I've got to write my quadratic formula because I have to memorize it. And to memorize it, I do it every time. So -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then I write it with placeholders so that I can fill them in a minute. Okay? All over 2a. All right, so let's fill those in. B is -1, -1. A is 1 and 1 on the bottom. And then C is 8 in the back here. And now I just need to simplify it. Okay, so I'm going to get 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 32 over 2. Whoa. Whoa. This is interesting. 1 plus or minus the square root of -31 over 2. George, I am so glad you brought this up earlier because you will remember in the introduction that the stuff underneath the radical, b squared minus 4ac, aka also known as the discriminant, cannot be negative. If it is, there we go. If it is negative, then that means we have no real solutions to this quadratic equation. There is no x that will give us a true statement. Okay? So, I'm just going to put a big X through this, and I'm going to write no solution and underline. I'm done. All right? Good job, guys.